Hey everyone, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to catch the electric eel deviant once human. So first, we will head to this location called Mears Market. This area is great for fishing, and here you will also find corn which you can use as a bait. But we can also get bait from this lady right here. She is Marguerite, and she runs a shop here. So you can buy two baits from her, simple bait or that. Both of them works, so just buy it and you're good to go. And of course you will need a fishing rod, which I have right here. If you don't have it, you can easily make it in the supplies bench, and make sure to unlock it in the pneumatics menu first. So let's start our fishing. If you need to switch bait, you can press R, and let's aim it right here. Okay, we got a bite. Now I will click my button and then adjust my angle of the mouse. Okay, here we got a fish. Unfortunately, we did not get an electric eel deviant, but that is basically how you will get. If you didn't get it the first time, try again. If you fail, try again, and it may take some time, but with persistence, you will get it. If this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.